A compressed natural gas supply was disrupted across the Mumbai metropolitan region after a gas pipeline was damaged, affecting the supply to Mahanagar Gas Limited's City Gas Gate station at Wadala. The outage forced several taxis and auto rickshaws off the roads as they ran out of fuel, with CNG pumps shutting down. Long queues formed at the few stations where supply trickled in. Many autos and taxi drivers parked their vehicles in line despite no certainty of refueling, hoping to avoid longer waits once the supply resumed. The shortage also triggered surge pricing on aggregator platforms like Ola and Uber. A Mira Road BKC trip, which typically costs around Rs 400 to 450, shot up to Rs 550 and later even crossed 600 on Sunday. The exact number of black and white, yellow taxis, auto rickshaws and private cabs forced off the roads remain unclear. Joining me on the broadcast live is my colleague Unaiza with more details on this. Unaiza, could you tell us more about this CNG gas shortage that happened in Mumbai?
Yes, so the main supply GAIL, which is Gas Authority of India, through which the gas comes in Mumbai. There's an in-between junction is there in Chembur. So there's the pipeline has leaked there in the Chembur, which affects the entire city. Now entire city is stranded over for the transport. In Mumbai, when we talk about Mumbai, the transportation is the main, the main cause for the Mumbai's life, which gets affected easily. Through that pipeline, there's a leakage, and now the GAIL has decided to supply first to the LPG, which is the domestic gas lines, and that's the reason the supply for CNG at the petrol pumps are stopped. Giving the gas supplies to the auto rickshaw, to the buses, to the taxis, and that's the reason that autos, taxis, buses, school vans are also not working because of the shortage of gas supplies, and people are stranded to reach to their offices, to their schools, at their destination, and people are facing huge problems. So in the morning, we've seen the huge queues for the auto rickshaws, and also we've noticed that the taxi drivers, the auto drivers are charging double the amount of the fare, to reach the destination. Now people are facing definitely facing a huge problems as far as transport and the reaching to the destination is concerned, and also drivers also facing the problems. The vehicle owners are facing problems due to this shortage. The GAIL has assured, they are working on these problems, and soon they will come up with some solution, and things will be smoother and regular. But till now, we didn't get any sort of assurance from the authority, like what time duration will that take, and what would when is actually the problem gets resolved.
All
But
right,
yes,
Unaiza, thank you so much for all those updates on that